Okay, next one up, Honda CBR1000. This is a 25th anniversary. 1992 to 2017. So this is one Danny at DBH Motorcycles has just taken in, so it's going to get a whole dose of trot love before it hits the showroom. Nice to see a well-lubed chain at least, but the rest of it is pretty filthy. I think it's been sitting around some time, so we're going to do a full Monty valet on this. We'll get some XCP corrosion protection on it afterwards. Got some lovely rear sets on it. We're going to do a single stage machine polish on this bodywork just to get a nice bit of gloss back into it. Like I said, get all these wheels all minted up, get these discs clean, see if I can do something with that exhaust down there looking a little sad. Wheels are filthy. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us. Got a couple of stickers to get off, get that exhaust polished up, get it looking like it should before it hits the showroom. Give me a couple hours. Just under 2 hours, this gorgeous Honda CBR1000 25th anniversary has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our trot full Monty valets, Snowfoam safe wash, degreased, decontaminated. Everything's been meticulously clean. We then blow dried everything, making sure to remove any moisture from your switch gears, etc. I then got the XCP corrosion protection out. We misted all the motor, all behind your forks, all your switch gear, all your suspension linkages. Everything else has had a nice brushing. All your sprocket nuts, spindles, chain adjusters has had a nice brushing with the XCP orange. We then did a single stage machine polish just to get a bit of gloss back into that paintwork. Not that it really needed it, but oh, what a stunning machine. Polished up all the front of that exhaust. Up for sale, DBH Motorcycles. If you're looking for a 25th anniversary CBR1000, this will not be around long. Give Danny a ring, DBH Motorcycles. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Something like this can be done in your lunch hour. We've got a cafe next door. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.